Hello guys, welcome to day 29. Become a data scientist. Today learn regularization and also principal component analysis, also called PCA. It is the both topic are help to overfit model to convert balanced models for the data set it make more convenient and want more accuracy for your machine learning model. Let's come into screen. Few minutes. Regularization and PCA machine learning. Regularization technique and PCA are enhanced tool to improve performance and interpretability of the machine learning model, and they address the key challenge like overfit, high dimensional and to and the need for the data reducibles and another is, sorry, regularization technique. It is overfitting. Regulation helps to prevent overfitting where model learn the training data to very well and fail to generalize to new data. Model complexity. Regulation technique to penetrate complex model to in contrasting to simple models that are more likely to generalize well, and bias and various trade-off regulation find help to find the balance between model bias and underfitting and model variance to overfitting and future selection. It is the regulation technique can help to identify and select the most important feature for the given task. Another next will be L1 and L2, L1 loss and L2 regularization. Loss regulation, L1 regulation add a penalty to some of the absolute value of the model coefficient. That this can lead to future selects as coefficient for the less important future can drive driven to zero. A regularization radix regulation to the two L2 regulation add penalty to sum of square value will be model coefficient that help to sharp coefficient and reduce the model variance. And next will be buyers buyers and various trade-off. High bias underlying where model is to compute it to capture the underlying pattern in the data. Optimal bias and variance. The idea to balance between model to bias and variation to leading to good generation performance and also high variation and overfitting where model learn the training to good well and fail to generalization to the next to the new data set. How is the challenge to facing a high bias and high variation? UI girls also have some optimal they make for good generalization and performance. And next will be the dimension reduction with PCA. Is high dimensional data. PCA used to reduce the dimensionality of the high dimensional data while preventing much high variation as possible. And principal component PCA find a new data set principal component at the capture to the most variation in the data and reduce dimensionality. PCA project the data one to low dimensionality subset define a principal component and reduce the number of the future. It is also reduce the number of the future in the data set and elevator and vector and value. If direct of the sum variation in the data and magnitude of the variation along the eigenvector. Another is select the number of the principal component. First, explain variation and threshold. You guys also read and express also and current application and use case of the face recognition, image comprehensive data visualization and machine learning model. And let's come into I also make notes for you. You must be read L1 into regulation. You must be read few minutes. And let's come into a code editor. Or is like L1 L2 regulation for we import a data set of the Melbourne house prediction and make some unique ununique data set of the column, and we can train the data set. You must be C and make dummy variable and train the more test train split into train test split, and you guys also see a score of the model is 0.13x, and score will be regularization is not good. When you use a L1 regularization, then make score will better than a previous model score as soon as possible. And second, L2 regularization also make high score compared to a previous model, and we see the losses and rights regulation proof to benefit when simple linear regression model overfit the result may be not that concrete and significant. Most case L1 L2 is a L1 L2 regulation are the used to neurals network 2, and next will be PCA tutorial for the our data set of the number digit. You must be C and load the image with which number you are easily found. It is 9 number, and also describe data set and scale and split it in train test split and pretty more, and model will be called and score will be 0.9222 and used to reduce the dimensity. You guys also see load PCA helping by sklearn, and then that can help to reduce the dimensity of the model and train again and split. Then you guys also see a more accuracy and compared to previous model and help to reduce a column of the a row column of the data set and provide a better model accuracy. The today learn, and you guys also like, share, and subscribe. See you next day.